the arming of Russia by South Africa with the vessel that landed in Simonstown is fundamentally unacceptable.
uBrigitte uthi inhloko dolobha yaseMelika eWashington DC ayifuni ukuguqula isinqumo seNingizimu Afrika sokungathathi ihlangothi kulempi eqhubekayo phakathi kweRussia neUkraine, kodwa ayifuna inhloko dolobha yakuleli icacise ukuthi yona imephi.
Our officials reiterated our respect for South Africa's policy of neutrality and non-alignment in international affairs. And yet they noted a series of issues which suggest that in practice, the government of South Africa is in fact not aligned.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa naye uphekwe ngembuzo amalungu ePhalamende ngalolu daba.
We are all aware of the news that we all became aware of the Lady R, and that whole matter, Honorable Steenhuisen, is being looked into.
Leli nxusa lithi olunye udaba okufanele lidingidwe isivumelwano sokuhwebelana kwalamazwe ngaphansi komgomo yeAfrica Growth and Opportunity Act.
No recipient of AGOA privileges should take actions that are directly in contrast to the national security interests of the United States of America.
Kusenjalo iMelika ithi ibuthathela phezulu ubudlelwano bayo neNingizimu Afrika futhi nethemba lokuthi konke lokho kuyikhathazayo kuzodingidwa kahle.